At the Abbey, oaths are made to God and country. A coronation, with true meaning and honour. At the Abbey, they sit in state to swear, while we sit at home in awe, with duty resting on our heads, and beginnings on a chair.
For 1,000 years, the coronation of our kings and queens has been at Westminster Abbey. Crowning a new monarch is the highlight, but a coronation is actually a religious ceremony and takes place during a Holy Communion service. It begins with the recognition and the oath. Standing in the Abbey, in front of gathered subjects, the monarch is presented to the people, who respond in recognition. The king or queen pledges allegiance to the country, the people, and to God. Then comes the anointing. The anointing is a sacred blessing with a special spoon. The Archbishop of Canterbury solemnly daubs a cross of holy oil on the royal forehead to show they've been chosen by God. This is the most important, most holy part of the ceremony. Next, the investing, where the monarch receives the royal regalia, symbolic objects that represent the relationship between church and state, a sword for the military, and an orb, a symbol of God's power. A ring weds the king or queen to the country, and 2 scepters to represent justice. The royal regalia is also known as the crown jewels. Finally, the crowning. Here comes the Archbishop with the crown, a priceless, irreplaceable artifact. This is St. Edward's crown. At last, it is placed on the monarch's head, whilst all in the Abbey cry,